Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Ankinesh Creations. In this video, I am going to be sharing 3 gift ideas which you can make very easily on this Valentine's Day. So let's get started. For the lovebirds decor, I am using this Purani photo frame ke piche wala part, and then I am applying white acrylic paint on top of it to give it a light base so that I can make sky wala shading on top of it. White base के बाद I'm adding some blue paint and then I'll add some more white paint, and फिर I'm using this circular foam brush to dab onto the paint and blend it nicely to give it a blue sky effect. With this, my sky background is ready, and now we'll decorate it with some natural elements like wooden stick which I got from my local park and some stones like this, so we can make some lovebirds. Using a hot glue to stick my natural element pieces like this wooden stick and then the stones to make lovebirds. Then with a black pen I'm making the legs and the beak of birds. Sticking a wooden piece to make a swing hanging from the branch of the tree. ये wooden piece वो जो canvases में आते हैं ना extra wooden pieces उनमें से लिया है. Then making some dots and writing onto the swing together forever. Now by using a white sakura gel pen, making some wings on the birds to make it more interesting and real, and we are done with our lovebirds decor. For the next DIY, I am using this air dry clay. You can also use molded, which is easily available in India, and this jewelry wire. Now using a paint brush, I am folding the wire from the bottom to form a loop like this, and then folding it on the top, straightening the wire, and then I am trying to make a heart shape, double layer heart shape, so that we can stick our photo in it. With the heart shape, I am cutting down the wire, squeezing the end so that it's not sharp anymore, adjusting the heart shape as I want, and now it's ready. Now let's start making the clay heart. So I'm taking a chunk of clay depending on how much big I want my clay heart to be, और उसको मैं अच्छे से हाथों से स्मूथ करके थोड़ा सा फ्लैट करके और फिर अपने हार्ट शेप क्ले कटर से I'll cut it. Oh no, first I'll insert my wire, sorry. तो अपने वायर को इंसर्ट करके अंदर जितना हो सके I'll try to insert it, and ऊपर वायर के ऊपर क्ले से पूरा पैक करके उसको अच्छे से सिक्योर करके I'm applying some water to level up the upper surface of the clay, and then I'm using a heart shaped cookie cutter to cut my clay. So with the air dry clay, wherever you feel like there is an uneven surface, attach some piece of clay and then use water to smooth it out and blend it with the rest of the clay. And now I am pressing it down very gently to take it out of the mold. After taking it out from the mold, I am taking my time again to smooth the edges, and from the center wherever I feel the need to blend the clay more and smooth it out, I am doing it right now. Once I'm happy with the shape, मैं थोड़ा सा टिश्यू पेपर लेके उसको क्ले पे डैप कर रही हूँ because I have used water to smooth it out, and then I'm using this letter stamps to stamp Ankinesh on it, and उसके नीचे XO to make it a little custom made, like personalized. Once I'm done stamping, I let it dry completely. It took me around 2-3 days to dry completely, and then I decided to paint it using hydro dipping technique. So I used this copper spray paint and this sea glass satin spray paint. बट आप अभी देखोगे कि क्ले ने अच्छे से कॉपर पेंट को नहीं एब्जॉर्ब किया. लाइक कॉपर पेंट वाज नॉट स्टिकिंग एट ऑल टू द क्ले. जो ब्लू पेंट था वो फिर भी स्टिक हो रहा था, बट कॉपर वाला नहीं हो रहा था. थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटिंग हो गया. मैंने वापस स्प्रे डाल के और ट्राई किया, बट वो इफेक्ट नहीं आ रहा था जो मैं चाहती थी. सो देन आई केप्ट इट असाइड, लेट द स्प्रे पेंट ड्राई कम्प्लीटली, और फिर मैंने गोल्ड पेंट यूज़ करके उसको हाइड्रो डिपिंग वाला इफेक्ट ब्रश से देने की कोशिश करी. लाइक अप्लाइंग वाटर टू द क्ले सरफेस वेर आई वांट द क्ले टू बी, और लाइटली अपना गोल्ड पेंट मैं वहाँ पे ऐसे स्प्रेड करती रही, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, टू गिव इट अ मार्बल काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट. और फिर उसके बाद आई वाज हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट. I also added one golden line in the bottom and one at the top of my heart piece to give it more of a complete kind of a look. And once my paint has dried, I sprayed acrylic paint के ऊपर जो varnish spray कर सकते हैं, that I sprayed on top of it to protect my colors and give it a glossy effect. And then I'll let my varnish dry completely, and my photo holder is ready to display the photo. For the third and final DIY, I'm decorating a gift box using some dot painting. So first I have drawn 2 hearts and painting it white. Next I'm applying black acrylic paint to all the remaining surface of the box lid. Once I'm done with my black paint, I'll let it dry completely, and then I'll start adding dots around the hearts. You can make it as colorful you want, or just use 1 or 2 color, however you like it. I'm choosing to add quite a lot of colors with variety of different size of dotting tools to make it more interesting. This DIY is not a gift in itself, but it will definitely elevate whatever gift you are giving to your Valentine. You can keep like handwritten letter in it, or like a wristwatch, or some jewelry if you are giving it to your girlfriend or wife or mom, like anyone. So yeah, decorate a gift box and use it to keep your gift and give it to your Valentine. It will make their day. Next I'm adding few more dots using paint markers on top of the first layer of dots when the first layer has dried completely, and then we are done with our custom gift box. And with that, I'm done with my all 3 DIY in this video. Comment down below which DIY you like the most, and hit that like button please if you like this video. It really helps. And subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach to 50k as soon as possible. Your support will only help me to reach there and follow my passion. So yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.